In this video, we're doing a simple but interesting test. We're comparing two different ways of powering a graphics card, using a Molex to PCIe adapter and using a proper PCIe power cable directly from the power supply. In the first setup, the GPU is powered with the standard 8-pin connector, while the additional 6-pin comes from a Molex adapter. In the second setup, we're using a power supply that has two dedicated PCIe cables, so the graphics card receives power directly without any adapters. During this test, we'll monitor FPS, GPU clock speed, and power usage, so watch carefully and see what happens with the FPS. At first glance, there doesn't seem to be a big performance difference. However, there is another thing to consider. When using a Molex adapter, there is always a possibility of extra heat on the adapter and the cables because Molex connectors are not always designed to handle higher GPU power loads. So even if the performance looks similar, using direct PCIe cables from the power supply is usually the safer and more reliable option. Take a look at the results and decide for yourself if there is any noticeable difference in FPS and stability.